I'm Wayne from Munching Mash, and today we'll be making Taiwanese fried chicken. Here I have deboned, skin-on chicken thighs. First things first, we'll be cutting these chicken thighs into bite-sized chunks, and we're gonna start our marinade. The marinade's nice and simple. Starting off, we're gonna be throwing a bit of garlic, brown sugar, 5-spice powder, dry sherry, and a good amount of soy sauce. Get in there with your hands, rice flour, and an egg. And this will form the batter. As an extra flavor boost, we'll be adding a bit of chicken stock powder. Then we'll be breading it with tapioca flour. Traditionally, we use Thai basil to impart fragrance into the oil, but regular basil works just as well. Be careful if there's a little bit of water on the basil. You'll want a lid in case it goes wrong. See what I mean? Now once the basil has stopped popping, we can add in our chicken. So the best Taiwanese fried chicken you'll find are from the little old grannies set up right outside schools with their trolleys. Taiwanese deep fried chicken. Oh man, that's good.